Hello everyone, welcome to Frame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of PHP and MySQL, I am going to start with a new file 8.php, and here in this file I am going to elaborate the concept of arrays. Yes, the concept of arrays in PHP. What is an array? Simply, array is a collection of elements. Yeah, array is a collection of elements. Now here we are going to use arrays in PHP. Now here we are going to declare a variable, say cars. See, why do we use arrays? First thing, we use arrays because we don't want to declare 5 cars in 5 different variables. Yes, when we are using variables for numbers like a equals to 5, b equals to 10, c equals to 12, we are using different variables, or we want to declare name of 5 cars, then we will use car 1, car 2, car 3. No, we don't want to use that. No, we don't want to do that thing. Whenever we are using some concept of data similar data type elements, if we want to use multiple data of same type, then we can use the concept of array in PHP too, as we have already used in some previous languages. If you have studied some other languages, then it's good. If you haven't studied another language, then also it is very good, because I am teaching each and every concept from the very scratch. So here we have to use this particular function array, and it is a predefined function, and now we just have to give the name, say Volvo. As we are using name of cars, I'm just giving like this. Then comma, we have to use the comma to separate the different elements of this array. Yes, we have to use the comma like this. I have just given 3 elements here. Now I'm saving it, and now if we want to print this, then what we have to do, echo cars, as the name is, variable name is car. Let's check it on the browser, on the server. I hope you have watched the previous video, then only you will get how to start the WAMP server, as I have taught this in the previous lectures. I have taught that how to launch the WAMP server. Here we are having a new file, that is file 8.php, and now you can see array. It's just printing array. Why? So for this to get the values, we can use the var dump. Yes, we can use the var dump like this, var dump and cars. Oh, sorry, cars, the name of our array. Just check it out in the browser. Now you can see the values. I'm just giving this br here. So I told this, I just made this for you to understand that what we have to do to get the values. Yes, we can use var underscore dump for function for elaborating and getting the index numbers and the values of our array. Yes, you can see, as soon as we use var dump, as var dump is used generally to get the data type. So here it's showing array, and 3 is the number of elements in this array, that is 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now as we know it very well, and the thing is that the first value of an array is always at the index 0. Yes. In array, the indexing starts with 0. That is, the first element is always 0 and the last element is always size minus 1. So here Volvo is at 0, BMW is at 1, and Toyota is at the second index. Yes. So we can see 0 is string 5. That is, it's showing the size of the string. Volvo 1. Volvo is the value, sorry. At the first index, the string is of 3 characters, and BMW is the value. Toyota is on the second index, string 6. That is, the characters here are 6, and Toyota is the value. I hope you are getting. Now I am making one more array here, say random, or we can say ARR1, any name we can give, array. And now here we are going to give some values like Raju, it's a name, 1 is a value, 10.23 is also a floating value. Again, Ajay is string. So we are giving here some mixed values, and now I am going to give var dump and var dump. I am giving the name of the array here. ARR1 was the name of array. And now I am going to the browser and just refreshing this file. Let's refresh it again here like this. So now you can see that there is no issue if we are giving mixed data type elements. So in the case of PHP, there is no issue if we are giving mixed data type elements. I just want to make it some bold. I am giving echo, and let's so here you can see that I'm increasing the size of this browser. I'm zooming it. It's 200. The zoom is 200. Now here you can see in the case of array 2, array 1, the second array, as we have used the var dump, it's appearing. So here are 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's correct. 0th element contains a string of 4 characters, and that's it, Raju. Second string is integer, 1 element, and the value is 1. Then that was the one. The index number 2 is containing float value, that is 10.23. Index number 3 is containing a string again with the 4 alphabets, and the value is Ajay. I hope you are getting the concept. I hope you now know this, that an array in PHP can contain miscellaneous data type. That is, it's not necessary for us to put the similar data type elements in an array. We can just create an array by giving the keyword, the function array, which is a predefined function, and that's it. I hope you are getting the concept. I hope you are not having any confusions. But if you are having any confusions, any queries, any time, you can just comment it into the comment box. Tell me how you like the video, and if you are enjoying the series, just share it with your friends. Tell them what is the new content you are studying right now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.